Good morning. It is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So the fourth day, Saturday, for the BILT event, and we are heading out for breakfast.
The sun is very bright.
We're tired. Gotta have today going, so
Yep.
let's go. So it's the last day of BILT. There's still a couple of sessions going on. I'm just taking a little bit of break. Since I will be flying out tomorrow, I will still have more things that's gonna show up in the footage. However, tonight we'll have Gala event, so that's to see as well. So I'll cover that, and I'm just gonna take some break right now and get going later on. Alright, the exhibition is over. We're heading out for what?
The underground city tour.
Alright, underground city tour. Here we come. So what are we expecting for this underground tour thing?
I have no idea.
Alright, she has no idea. I have no idea. So we'll go check it out. So why are we all dressed up now?
To attend the Gala Dinner.
So pretty much the whole event for BILT has finished. All the sessions are over. Even the speakers had a little bit of debrief, which was great to have some feedbacks back. I think this is the last one on our schedule to have a gala event. Since I've never been, I don't know what to expect. Apparently it's themed as well, but unfortunately we haven't prepared anything themed. I'll be excited to see what other people are wearing. Tomorrow we'll be mostly flying out, so I just wanted to just kind of take this chance to, what do you feel about this whole event? Because you got a glimpse of it on the evening venues with me. What do you think about this event?
I thought it was very nicely put together, organizing different companies to represent themselves, and even without the architectural background, I could see what was going on clearly.
What did you think about the venue?
It was absolutely dashing.
Dashing.
I loved it. It was marvelous. And the food was very good.
I second that. The hotel, the venue was absolutely great. It was well organized. I really enjoyed the food a lot. I think one thing that didn't really come short at all was food. I really enjoyed. Hence why you probably saw a lot of me covering the food in general. And also the location of Seattle was great. It was in a city that we can still walk around, go sightseeing it when time allows. Thank you so much for having me on board, and my wife Grace here as well on this great event. Let me just wrap up the video there. Please like if you like this content, and subscribe to my channel if you want to continue watching these sort of videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
We always miss out on a selfie moment. What? Grace, why don't you also come in?
I'm Grace.
Yeah. So I just wanted to say thank you to Phil for inviting us all here. All right, that's looking. How's the gala looking?